Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, August 19th. The Zen story for today is titled The Cat in the Teacup. The first time the monk saw it, he told himself it was nothing. Just steam, just light, a trick of the eye after a long night without sleep. But the next day it appeared again. The cat, small and still, perfectly reflected in the dark surface of his tea. Not beside the cup, not near the tray, inside the tea itself, as if it had been waiting there all along. He looked up quickly, half expecting to find it sitting just beyond his reach. But there was nothing, only the quiet hum of morning, the air soft and ordinary, the cup growing cooler in his hands. He glanced back down. The reflection hadn't moved. For days he tried to ignore it. He turned the cup away from him, drank quickly, kept his eyes on the floor. But the reflection always returned, calm, patient, unchanging. And with each passing day, something inside him grew heavier. It wasn't fear exactly, but something thinner, like stranding at the edge of a question he couldn't bring himself to ask. He began pouring more slowly, watching the steam rise and clear, waiting for the moment the cat would appear again. It never startled him, but it never felt quite real either. One morning, after weeks of circling the same hesitation, he did not turn the cup away. He stared straight into the reflection, his hands trembling just enough to ripple the surface. Without breaking his gaze, he lifted the cup to his lips and drank. The reflection scattered into waves of light, gone before the taste reached his tongue. The next day he poured again, half expecting to see it return. But there was nothing, just tea, plain and still. He sat with the empty cup in his hands for a long time, longer than he could explain. And for the first time, the emptiness felt enough. Now take a comfortable position and, as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe let your eyes close and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Have you ever looked into something simple, like a cup of tea, and see more than you were ready for? Have you looked into something simple, like a cup of tea, and see more than you were ready for? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Have you ever looked into something simple, like a cup of tea, and see more than you are ready for? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice. I will see you on Thursday. Have a beautiful day.